Hello grade 2s, it is Monday and it is our first reading lesson for this week, and we are going to start with some words that I have on our board here, and we are going to sound these words out. So we're going to read them, okay? Now we'll notice that there is something at the end of this word. What do we notice? Right, that it has a silent E, and this silent E is actually going to jump over both consonants to make that A say its name. Okay, so let's sound it out with me. T, A, S, T. T, A, S, T. Taste. The word is taste. So normally the silent E doesn't jump over two consonants, but in this case it does. And we're going to see this word in our story that we're going to read this week. So taste. I'm also going to build another word. Okay. Now, we notice there's some vowels here, so we're going to look at the E and the U, and there's two consonants in between. So we need to divide this word. So we're going to divide the two consonants. One goes with the E, one goes with the U. The first syllable is going to be a closed syllable, and it's going to say let. Now we're going to look over here, and we have a silent E. And that silent E, do you remember what it does to a C? Right, it's going to make it say a soft. It's going to say S. Okay? Now it's not going to make the U say its name. So we're going to say it as T-A-S, tuss. Now let's put them together and let's read it. Let-tuss. Say it together. Lettuce. Right. And I'm sure you have had lettuce in a salad before. So those are some words that we're going to come across in our story. Now for today, you're going to find in your package some characters that we're going to come across in our story. And this is going to tell you where our story is happening, the setting. And you'll see Pepper Park there, and we've got a tree and mushrooms. Now on the back are some dotted lines. You're going to cut the dotted lines, so you cut all the characters out. And then there's a line where it says fold here. You can actually set your characters up so they'll stand up on their own. So I want you to cut them out, fold them. I want you to read each character's name so you know all the characters in our story. And the same with our tree and our mushroom. You can cut on the dotted and fold on the lines, and you can make your own scene with all of our characters in our story that we're going to read tomorrow. Okay, so I want you to be getting those characters all ready that you can set them all up to play with for our story. The other thing that you're going to do today is you're going to read our warm-up page. So that will be, you'll actually have this warm-up page in your package that I would like you to read today, okay? And then tomorrow we'll come together, talk about it, and I'll tell you which story that you're going to read. So have fun making our characters and read our warm-up page for tomorrow's story.